Welcome to Fun Friday, where I do some fun and awesome stuff with you guys. And well, not always awesome, sometimes just me doing normal things. Speaking of which, this is the first Fun Friday of the new year.
Austin, you're such dog water. This is actually the second Fun Friday. Get your act together, Austin. You're so free.
So guess what that means? We're gonna try out some new fun toys. You may have gotten an air fryer this holiday season. That's pretty awesome. I got one about a year ago actually, and I've only used it twice. So today, since I've used it twice, I'm clearly a master at the air fryer, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, how to use it, and how to lose weight because it fries everything in the air. Today, we're gonna make fish sticks and sweet potato fries. I said, today, we're gonna make fish sticks and sweet potato fries. I'm really lucky that didn't fall out. I already did it once. So today, guys, we're gonna make sweet potato fries because that's healthy and trending right now. And fish sticks are actually crispy, battered, 100% whole fillets, not minced. I think that's a good thing, Sean, right?
Why are fries trending?
Apparently, sweet potato fries is trending. I don't know. So guys, I want to show you how to use said air fryer. Yours may be a little different, and that's fine. They're probably all the same. I don't know. I'm not an expert, but for now, I am. So first thing you got to do is open up the air fryer. You need to pull out these two trays. These are your cooking trays that I have not cleaned once since I've used them. Now, Sean, would you like some food?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay, can you say please? Use your manners.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Is 2 pieces fine? Do you want more, Sean?
I want more.
You want more, so you don't get more, so it's okay.
Okay.
So there we are. We got our fish prepared. We're just gonna toss that over there. Don't, Sean, no. Here, okay? And then we need to put some sweet potato fries on there because that's our second dish within this dinner thing. So we're just gonna put some fries on here. Gotta make sure there's enough room again for the air to conduct its frying business. So we need to put these back in here. We're gonna put the fish sticks on top because I feel like that's the where the best part of the meal goes. And then the second one goes right on the bottom there. And so what's gonna happen is the oil from these is gonna drip down onto the fries, and then the fry oil is gonna drip down into this pan here, and you're going to save from getting heart disease because of that. FDA does not approve. So then what we're gonna do is close this really quickly. It's gonna make a nice beeping sound, right? So what we need to do is we need to turn it on, 380 degrees. That seems like a good temperature. And then we need to cook this for, I don't know, 14 minutes? Sounds about right. And then all you've gotta do right here is hit the power button. And now it's going into air fry our dinner. Check back for an awesome meal.
2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
All right, guys, so now the food is done. Let's take it out and show you. That's hot. You're supposed to be able to use these to get it out. I'm not sure how that works, but we're gonna try today. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's our fish sticks. Fish fillets, excuse me. We need to get that back in there. Not sure how we're gonna do that. So we're gonna pull out this handy dandy safety mitt right here. There's something inside the safety mitt, Sean. Uh-oh. So we're gonna use this safety mitt here. Put this tray back in here like so. We're gonna use this little doohickey to pull out the fries. Oh, look at those fries, garden fresh. Gonna get this closed up. And that, my friends, is your air fried meal. I know you're impressed with my culinary expertise. Might as well call me Gordon Ramsay, honestly, at the end of the day. He should quit his day job and come and learn under me. I'll allow him to be my sous chef. But until next time, guys, always a fun time with you, watching Fun Friday, doing fun things, and watching me do things that help me find a girlfriend, because I can cook now, and women like guys who can cook. Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, good.